How's it going? I'm going to talk you through how I like to do motorcycle grips. This isn't the service manual way to do it, but I like it because it's very easy and the grips don't rotate or slide up and down over time. So if you've ever had problems with that, check this out and give it a try. To start out, you're going to have to take the bar ends off. These might be a little bit difficult to break loose because a lot of times there's thread lock on the whole length of the bolt. To get the existing grips off, you can either try and work them off by hand. I like to bring the edge up and spray some WD-40 in there to help it slide off easier, or you can use a box cutter or razor blade to cut it off. Once I get the existing grip off, I always like to clean this glue off the throttle tube and the bar. And I'll use carb cleaner to clean that old glue off, but always be sure to spray it onto a rag or something and watch the overspray because carb cleaner does strip paint, so you don't want that on your bike. The quote-unquote legit way to do this is with grip glue, but personally I've never used it. I've always used WD-40 because it makes it really easy to slide the grip on, and then it like hardens and the grips don't move. And I've done that for about 2 years and haven't had any problems. These are directional, so there's always going to be a thicker and a thinner one. The thicker one will go on the left because it goes straight onto the bar, and then the one with the thinner walls will go on the right where that's the throttle tube, so it has to fit over that. So how I like to do it is I like to just spray a little inside, but the key part is you want to make sure not to get it on the outside of the grip or on your fingers, otherwise it's going to make it difficult. So. Once you get it started, the easiest way to slide it all the way on is usually to push by the end of the grip. A lot of times grips have logos or patterns, so you want to make sure you get it oriented the correct way and straightened out, and then let it sit for a few minutes so it can dry. And then I always like to sit on the bike and make sure the grips are even from side to side. Then once they're both dry, you can stick the bar ends on and you're ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. If y'all found that useful and you're going to try it out yourself, I'd appreciate it if you give this video a like, as well as subscribe if you're interested in more upcoming how-tos as well as general shenanigans. Till next time, peace out.